growth 156%. Visit Smart AI Store, but in only $49. Welcome to this overview of the Phoenix Blizzard Gold EA-based scalping expert advisor designed specifically for MetaTrader 4. Technically, the AL operates on the M1 timeframe. This AIA is built to trade the XAUUSD and XAUUSD pairs, also known as gold, using a scalping strategy that focuses on market volatility around high-impact news events. To start, we see you'll need a minimum deposit of $100 in your MT4 account, making accessible for both small and large tracklers. The standard market price of Phoenix Blizzard Gold AI is $1,599. But at Smart EA Store you can grab it for just $49. Several risk management features, including adjustable lot sizing, maximum spread filters, and daily trade limits. %156% total growth. Phoenix Blizzard Gold AI is best suited for traders who understand the risks of news trading and are looking to automate a disciplined scalping approach during active market hours. Now we will run it in MT4. This video is for educational purposes only.